Okay, so this is a 2-ton 2001 Carrier. It's a straight cool unit matched up with a Carrier natural gas furnace, which I just made a video of. I'm gonna make this quick because I'm freezing cold. It's at a friend's house. It's in the 20s out here right now, and I don't have my jacket on. But there's a line that goes under the house, and there's a basement. 2-ton. And there's a sound blanket, but it does have a scroll compressor. I can judge by the sound of it. And it's a high-end model too. But the serial number is 1101E03297, and the model number is 38TRA024320, and it has 5.225 pounds of R22. Sorry, I'm stuttering, I'm freezing. And the gas furnace is an 80. It's from 2001. It's a 2-ton manufacturing 01. I'm guessing it's a 12 or 13 SEER. It's at least a 10. I'm guessing since it's high end, it's a 12. So